I'm keeping it my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven. I got the Greek ass.
It's your boy ARESNAL Rider, and today's video is brought to you in part by Ciroc. Now, Diddy don't really sponsor my videos, but it's finna be flowing through my veins as I do this video. I'm gonna tell you the top 5 things that I dislike about my not my GoPro. Damn it. Have I been drinking already? I'm gonna tell you the top 5 things that I dislike about the top 5 things I dislike about my DJI Phantom 3. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy ARESNAL Rider, and you're tuned in for another one. I got shit all over the place, man. Don't mind me. So, here we have the DJI Phantom 3 professional. This one shoots 4K, 1080p, 720p. I think it does 1080p up to 60 frames per second. 4K is only 30 frames per second. All that shit. For y'all that don't know what that is, 60 frames per second is gonna make your shit buttery smooth. 30 seconds is like regular, and then 24 frames is like cinematic and shit. 120 frames is like slow motion. I don't think that this does slow motion, but we shall see. Anyway, it's one of the batteries, and this brings to one of the things that I dislike about my Phantom 3 is the battery life. Now, I'm not exactly sure if it's because I bought it used, because who buys shit brand new anymore? Especially when you can get it like for the LO. I bought now the Phantom 3 standard goes to about $500 in the store. Regular, only shoot like 2.4 or 2.7K. You know what I'm saying? Like $500 come with one battery remote and all of that. I got mine with the drone. 4 batteries. I have 4 batteries. The remote knows and all that shit. And I even got a fucking case for 500. So blessed. That's all I can say. So that's one of the things I really don't like about it, the battery life. I might have to buy a new one. I might buy a new one and see if I can really tell the difference. I mean, it's not terrible. You know what I'm saying? You get decent flight time out of it. But I don't know, maybe I was just expecting more. But like I said, you get decent time out of it. I just would like more, and I think it's because I might use batteries. The second thing I do not like is really hindsight. After having it for so long, like at first it was just like, oh shit, I got a drone. Now it's like, fuck, I gotta pack this bitch up into this case, and I gotta put the case in the car. And as you can see, you know what I'm saying, the case is not really fucking small. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's a good. I use my phone to put some depth to that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a good iPhone 10 and a half tall. So, I mean, that's part of it. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I really wish that it was a lot more portable. I probably would fly probably like a whole lot more. Also, I mean, I'm finna put it to work this year. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be reaching out to some people trying to shoot some projects and things like that. So definitely getting that thing, getting it in the air a lot more. But I do wish that it was smaller. I'm actually contemplating about going with the DJI Mavic Pro. And what it is that's going to bring me to the next thing that I was going to talk about in this video. The third thing I hate is the image transmission. This Phantom 3 uses a light bridge. No. It uses a Wi-Fi connection for the visuals that are transmitted when it's up in the air. You know what I'm saying, man. Actually, let me slide the battery off in here for y'all, man. Let's make it do what it do. Oh, so that one about dead. That dead might not even power up. All right, there we go. We got juice. And let me show you. So on my iPhone 10, you know what I'm saying? It's an app. I think I moved that bitch. Yeah, DJI Go. Like camera, got connected device or whatever. Basically, what you do, you snap it down off in there. You take your probably Apple. Take your Apple cable, you know what I'm saying? Plug it into the joint.
Critically low battery.
Yes, thank you for that. I know that the battery is critically low. It's not like we finna go flying in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? When you get to flying in the air, if you're going live or something like that, there's a delay that you'll see on the camera. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't... Now I think about it, like, you can't even really see that shit off in here. So, but when you're flying, it's like a delay. And the next time I take it out, I'll let y'all know that. Or I'll let y'all see that. And that's really like a deal breaker, because if it is something that I'm going live with, I want it to be smooth, buttery footage. I don't want it to be all jumpy and stuff. And that's exactly what happens with this drone. Now, the Phantom 4 and the Mavic Pro use a light bridge technology. It's up to a wider range or a longer range, and that way that problem is supposedly alleviated. I do not know for sure, but that's the word on the street. It's a rock coconut. So the next thing that I don't like is the blades, the propellers of the props, as they're called technically. I don't have a problem. Like, I've actually been able to keep them on, but ideally they shouldn't be left on, because I know that they don't fit perfectly. But I do have it to where they're inside the case, and I don't have to take the propellers off every time. But I think that really just plays into the bulkiness of it. I should take them off. I'm just gonna keep it G. I should be taking them off, but I'm not taking that shit off every time. You know what I'm saying? So, for $500 that I paid for it, like, hey, I'm not taking them off. You know what I'm saying? It worked. It's not gonna. I don't think it messes it up. I put it in and out of the case all the time. Yeah. But like I said, if I had a Mavic, I wouldn't have that fucking problem. And that's gonna wrap this video up, man. Those are the things that I dislike about my DJI Phantom 3 Professional. What I do like about it is a drone, and I only paid $500, and I got a case and 4X batteries. or 3X batteries. This boy signing off. Gang.